Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to select all images in Excel and delete this. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here a data and some image to this sheet. Now we want to select the multiple image or delete this all image. At first select a image, then press and hold shift on our keyboard and select the multiple image one by one. Now we can see we select multiple image. Now you want to delete this image, click right button and we can see here many option, but not here the delete option. You can delete this, select the cart option, otherwise press delete on your keyboard. Now we can see we select all images in Excel and delete very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.